Welcome back, guys. I have one primary goal today, and that's to get a working elevator. So that's what we're going to start working with. Last time we were working, I pointed out how the first thing I need to do is get this elevator platform down inside this thing and treat this as an elevator shaft. So right along that, that's good. Okay, perfect. Moment of truth. So here's the crude design, if you guys are starting to see it now. Now, of course, I don't want it to come through, but actually I'm going to have something across here so it won't come through. It moves a little bit, I can tell. This is the right here. Next step, and the first thing I need to do is get the string, I guess I'm just going to call it string, it's not necessarily rope, that I have, and get it to a single point coming up about the middle of this, or in the middle of this. Put a hole right smack in the middle of this. And I'm going to secure this piece of wood to the top of my elevator. And as I've stated, that's to make sure that this lifts evenly and not lopsided. So now that comes up from a single point, should lift evenly. Put it back down in there. That's what the top of it looks like. Next step is I'm going to put this support beam over the top. It'll stop the elevator from coming all the way through. And here is our small motor. I'm just hoping that this is strong enough to lift this. I don't know if it is or not. We're going to find out. Move it back a little bit. See, trial run there. That hung up on something. Move that if we have to. If you have no experience with these, it's pretty simple. You actually could go straight ground and positive to the motor and it spins. It gives a current and it's just a little motor and it spins. Putting a switch in, the ground goes straight to the motor. You send a current, positive to the switch, positive to the switch from the motor, and it just interrupts the circuit. So, off, the circuit's broken, the bridge is opened up. Picture a river and one of them drawbridges or whatever that raise for boats. So it's open, you can't pass, and then you close it and you pass through. Pretty straightforward and simple. So that motor works. Now, how am I going to make this all come together? So that spins, this comes off. Have an idea. I am mad scientist this stuff right now, so don't know if it's going to work or not. We're going to find out together. This is going to hopefully keep our string, our cord on track. I don't know if it's going to interrupt things too much or not. Okay guys, I have everything set up for now. I haven't ran this yet. I didn't do it on camera because it was so delicate and difficult, but here's where I'm at. I've got everything ran, the wire, or the rope, you know that. I've seen that part. I have my motor mounted. I ended up tying this string through the middle spoke, and then I put these little janky pieces of cardboard on either side to kind of keep it in line, and I tried gluing them on. I ran the motor without the pulley on it one time, and it spun them basically right off. As you see, I threw some staples in it just to try to get it on there. I think this did not feel heavy at all by the human hand as I did it. As I'm messing with this, and this motor is so delicate, truthfully, I don't think this run's gonna work. I think there's gonna be too much weight for it, and I'm gonna have to go back to the drawing board, maybe just do a hand crank like I keep mentioning. And this is gonna have to be my last thing for today. So this is where we're gonna end our video, is we're gonna give this one trial. And sometimes experimentation is trial and error, and you gotta get back to the drawing board. So, you're gonna learn right here with me. Here's the big reveal. Try to turn it on and see what happens. Very underwhelming, isn't it? It spun it tight, you saw that. Yeah, that motor is not strong enough. If you guys would, just remember to like, subscribe, and follow my channel, comment, and we'll see where we get next time.